Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we pick the best car audio speakers out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about these products, check out the description for the latest prices and information. At first, we have the Rockford Fosgate P1675 Punch. For audiophiles looking for a high-quality factory replacement, this P1675 pair of 6.75-inch 3-way full-range speakers is rated at 60 watts RMS. The speaker's robust, lightweight, high-strength polypropylene cone helps minimize cone flex while in operation, enhancing overall sound quality while minimizing distortion, and the neater appearance and simpler installation are produced by the integrated hidden crossover, which conceals the crossover inside the basket. Additionally here, it also guarantees that the appropriate frequencies are supplied to the correct driver for the highest audio quality and utmost security. Next is JBL GTO939. For their price, these speakers sound considerably louder and better than we anticipated. The lows and bass feel smooth and very deep, while the highs are rich and crystal clear. On these speakers, vocals sound simply wonderful, with a very crisp and clear sound. The JBL GTO939 GTO series are a great option if all you need are coaxial speakers for your car door. This pair of 6x9 3-way loudspeakers is made to produce a ton of volume for your car's music system. A second woofer cone with a rubber ring is also included for a deeper punch and more bass. You can ramp up the volume on these speakers without experiencing any distortion, and it gets rather loud. Moreover, these speakers work with low-impedance automobile stereos. Plus, it can handle 300 watts of peak output and even has a 2 ohm impedance for use with older car audio systems. Next up, we have the Kicker DSC680. The coaxial included with this Kicker DS fits almost any vehicle door and offers a significant increase over the stock sound. These drivers can give you the strength and realism you've always desired thanks to their firm polypropylene cones and ribbed UV-treated foam surrounds. Whether you utilize a high-power Kicker DX amplifier or a factory head unit, their high-sensitivity DS motor is designed to give enhanced volume. Also, because they have zero propulsion PEI dome tweeters, they can play crisp, clear music without obstructing factory grills and window motors. Even better, you don't want to drill holes in your door in this situation. Almost every vehicle on the road today can accommodate Kicker DS series speakers out of the box. Next is Pioneer TS A1370F. To produce seamless and smooth sound characteristics with powerful, high-impact bass that lets you hear and feel the music, the Pioneer A-Series sound design purposefully matches the subwoofer and full-range loudspeakers in this instance. Their open and seamless sound philosophy produces a consistent off-axis frequency response, designed for automotive applications where one or more speakers are frequently pointed away from the listener's ears, allowing for a seamless and smooth transition between the mid-range and tweeter drivers. Moreover, Pioneer offers the Car Sound Fit app, a car sound simulator that lets you use your smartphone to simulate in-car audio. It will let you immerse yourself in the sound quality Pioneer can provide for your vehicle and hear the differences between the factory-installed car speakers and the Pioneer audio upgrades. Next is Boss CH4330. Due to its user-friendly design and strong power handling skills, the Boss CH4330 offers exceptional value for money for anyone looking to purchase a high-quality audio system without spending all of their money. This automobile speaker unit stands out from the competitors by providing a number of remarkable features, which we shall go over. First off, considering the price range, this car speaker set is remarkably sturdy and economical. The cone is made of a polymer that is both affordable and capable of creating high-quality audio and is long-lasting. Overall, the polymer offers two advantages to you. For starters, this device's low cost is partially attributable to the simplicity of its design. Lastly, we have the Polk Audio DB571. The Polk DB571 will astound you with its adaptability and capability of usage in numerous applications since it is maritime certified. Because of the excellent efficiency of the loudspeaker, less power is required to produce the same quality output, and the redesigned DB series now offers unparalleled durability and the ideal Polk audio performance. Modern technology has made it possible to create a speaker that is effective and capable of reproducing music as accurately as you have never heard it before. The silk polymer dome tweeter and mica cone woofer, among other materials, enable smooth roll-off and rapid response at any volume, in addition to being precisely balanced. while the rubber surround improves the bass performance and lengthens the speaker's lifespan in any situation. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.